I'm going to pull out my agenda and let's go to, whoops, yesterday. Yesterday was Monday, January 11th, and I said that I was going to draw a flower for a friend. And I did that. I actually made a video so that you can learn how to make your own flower too. So make sure you look for that. I'm going to check this off because I made that flower yesterday. And then I gave it to my friend. It was my kind action for yesterday. So today is Tuesday, January 12th. So I'm going to print the names up here. Capital T, U, E, S, D, A, Y, comma, J, A, N, U, A, R, Y. Oh my goodness, I almost ran out of room. I ran out of room, so I'm going to put my 12 down here, comma, 2021 for 2020. And now I'm going to practice making my numbers all the way up to 12 because today is the 12th. So we'll start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I ran out of room, so I'm going to go back down here. 11, 12. And today it is sunny, so I'm going to draw a sun over here. And you can draw whatever the weather is like where you live on your piece of paper. And today I am going to read a book. Do you like to read books? I love to read books. So I'm going to draw myself a book. I like to read every day. The more I read, the better reader I will become. So I'm just going to color it blue here. What book do you think I should read today? Do you have a favorite book that you read every day? There's quite a few that I like that are my favorite. Let's see. Today I'm going to read a book about ABCs. I have an ABC book that is absolutely my favorite. So I'm going to put an A here, and then a B, and a C. So I'm going to read my ABC book. I'm going to print my name down here because I'm going to practice every day so that I get really good at printing. C, E, L, Y, N, N, E. And then I will check back tomorrow to see if I finished reading my book. So if you don't know how to print out all of the letters to make your day and your month, you can practice just one letter at a time, and then eventually you'll know all the letters and you can print any word that you want. So this is the letter N, and this is an uppercase N and a lowercase n. Sometimes we say big N, little n. So to make an N, a capital N or an uppercase N, you start at the top and you come down. Then you take your crayon to the top again and come on a diagonal all the way down to here, and then you can go back up to the top. To make a lowercase n, you start about halfway up your space, if you have lines on your space, halfway the size of this capital N, and do one line down, then come just a little bit below the top, not quite at the top, just a little bit below, and make an arch up, and then come down. That's how you make a lowercase n. Big N, little n. Uppercase N, lowercase n. Practice your printing every day and then you'll become really good at it. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.